Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to be preparing goat fat fry. This is a lost and forgotten recipe. We never get to prepare this at home due to health reasons. I just want to document it, so I've recorded this video. I've laid out all the ingredients for this recipe. I've cleaned, washed the goat fat, chopped it into pieces and reserved it. We need whole spices, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon and star anise, crushed garlic, crushed ginger, ginger garlic paste, and finely chopped onion. We also require pepper powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. In my blog, I keep posting recipes and reviews on a regular basis. I'm going to start preparing the masala first. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok, I've added 1/4 teaspoon of oil and I've started to fry the whole spices. I'll allow the whole spices to splutter and then added the crushed garlic, crushed ginger, finely chopped onion, ginger garlic paste. I'll fry the onion till it softens a bit. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter friends for regular updates. I keep posting a lot of stories on my social media as well. All the links to my social media will be listed in the description box below this video. Now I've added the pepper powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and chili powder. I'll fry the onions. I'll be adding 1 cup of water and I'll cook the onions till it softens a bit. All these recipes are forgotten and lost recipes. Now, people those days never used to waste any part of the goat or animal they had butchered, fat and offals. Nowadays we never prepare all these recipes. It's all lost and forgotten. Once the onion has softened, I've added the goat fat and I'm going to fry this in the onion masala. I'm just going to be documenting this recipe. It tasted very good though. It tasted very nice with the millet rotis that I prepared. I've added salt and I'm going to place a cover which fits tightly inside the wok so that the fat is concealed and it cooks faster. Now you can see in that pressure the fat is cooked. I'm just going to place it on high flame and allow this to fry. I tasted this fat. It was a little bland, so I've added extra chili powder and pepper powder to this. All these recipes are also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my Tamil channel. Now you can see I've added extra chili powder and pepper powder. I'll fry all the ingredients once more for another 2 minutes. And my fat fry is done. Normally they would serve this type of recipes for dry rotis or they would serve it with bread. I've also heard my grandmother telling me during the wartime they didn't have any meat to eat. That is when they prepared all such recipes. I've garnished it with some coriander and curry leaves and it's done. I've served it. It tasted excellent. It was very nice. If you like the flavor of fat, you'll enjoy this. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes, friends. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.